Hi, I am Parshuram. This is my final year MCA project. My project title is a secure framework for a content-based retrieval in a cloud repository. And then objective storage requirement for visual data has been increasing in recent years. Data storage to the cloud also leads to new challenges that must be carefully addressed and specified regarding privacy. When we do search on a Google, the word matches comes under automatically, but here images comes in. The framework enables both encrypted storage and searching using CBR queries and images outsource repository and designed for a media image data. We propose a secure framework for content-based retrieval in a cloud repository. We have built a prototype of a proposed framework analyzing its security properties and next then existing system. Storage requirements for a visual data have been increasing in recent years following the emergence of many highly interactive multimedia services and applications for a mobile. They are using cloud services for storing and the processing bulk of data such as images while coping with the limitation of their devices, storage capability of the battery life, and next then proposed system. Our proposal is based on ISCBIR and novel images encryption schema that exhibits content-based image retrieval properties. We use the bag of visual BOVW representation to build a vocabulary and inventory list index for each repository. We choose this approach for index as it is shown a good search performance and scalability. And then the problem statement. Encryption technique is an image processing lead to change in the size of encrypted images, so retrieval cannot be achieved properly. Images are leaked due to the lowest security level in the cloud. Then this is my architecture diagram. It has three members: is the owner response repository and the user. The owner create repository in a cloud. That repository has to put some key provided by user, and next that key is shared to the user, and next the owner upload images to the cloud, and next the cloud is create codebook of index, and the user whenever ask the queries and add images, the cloud give to such same related to the user. And I have using four modules. First module is create repository and upload images, next codebook and index generation, and third add images and query to the cloud, and fourth one is a content based search and retrieval. This is the first create repository, upload images in my first module. Repository is storage space of a collection of data. Each repository is created by using single user. He is the owner of that repository. Then he generated key for that repository by user RSA algorithm. RSA is a reversed Schreiber Edelman used by modern computers to encrypt and decrypt messages. Encrypt means content information of a data into a code, especially to prevent authentication access. Example, confidential email needs to be sent you the use a program that obviously in a content using plain text like text messages and emails, and it has to be creating it has two different keys, public key and private key. The next the repository can be accessed multiple users with the permission of the owner. Owner upload large amount of images dataset as a zip file into the cloud. Next one is a code book index generation. The admin of a code has been responsibility to create documents based on image, which is usually for searching image by using a extra zip file and applying CBR encryption technique. It encrypts image based on a color value structure features, also shuffling fictions in a column wise as well as a row wise. Then a create codebook of these files are used to improve searching efficiently and of a cloud, also manage time properly retrieving of a answer. The fourth module is add images query to the cloud. Now user can access the cloud to add their own images into the repository. So if that cloud has n number of users, then repository has chance to increase rapidly. Now the repository has collection of n number of images, differently domains. All images are stored in encrypted format for security. Then user has to ask query to the cloud And fourth one is a of content-based searching and retrieval. After receiving encrypted images query, the cloud extracts the future of your original images. Now applying for content-based search on in the codebook the image index by using that instructive feature. Obviously now searching results will be an encrypted images. Now user can apply CBR description techniques to the descriptive retrieved images. This is my project output file. First page application, first page. The next the owner registration form. The user give so username, password, read password, email ID, contact number. Now that's the user, the owner registration within the login page. The next the user also same like of the owner registration form. The next the owner login page. This one the you given some information on login to the application. Then next the user owner responsibility, create repository key and share repository key and upload images. First one the create image repository of someone is to take some files in a data sets like desktop is create some repository, and next to upload that files and it is successfully created. Next the create repository key, uploaded file it has some putting some email key repository, and next it is successfully done. And next the share repository key to the user, and creating sending to the user whenever the user searching on images to the cloud. That's the reason the cloud given under automatically, but here images given to the user. Next the software requirements. Front end we are using HTML and CSS, backend Java and database MySQL. Cloud is a media file. It has a 15 GB for free, for that's why we are using operating system Windows 8. And the next then hardware requirements. Hard disk is 500 GB above, RAM is 4 GB, processor is i3 above, and i5 also supported. Future enhancement expenses and studies are going on here for a supplementary enhancement in intent and performance of a content-based image retrieval for a system. In this implementation, we have only done color analysis and structure analysis, then information about object, location, and shapes in a disenhancement. This is a secure framework for a content-based retrieval in a cloud repository. We are using cryptographic in document used for implementation of a code. The codebook contains lookup value table for encoding and decoding. In the codebook compared of the secret information used in a cipher and the key. This is the conclusion. The scope of which CBR encryption is currently in a routine using cleanly still very limited. In particular, CBR technology has been so held in little impact on the more generation application of image searching, such as a generalism or a home enhancement, and so much of data using in day by day sales, and so many companies are using only in very specialist areas such as a crime preservation, as CBI technology has been adapted to any significant extent. It has then the dramatic rise the size of image databases has restricted the development of efficiency and the efficiently retrieval of a system. And this is my final project. And then thank you.